Wake up. I wake up early in the morning. Get up. I get up and make my bed. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth. Take a shower. I take a shower to feel fresh. Get dressed. I get dressed for a day. Have breakfast. I have a healthy breakfast. Go to work. I go to work at 8 a.m. Do homework. I do my homework in the evening. Have lunch. I have lunch at noon. Exercise. I exercise to stay fit. Relax. I relax and watch TV. Cook dinner. I cook dinner with my family. Have dinner. We have dinner together. Read a book. I read a book before bed. Go to bed. I go to bed at 12 o'clock. Set alarm. I set alarm before I sleep. Stretch. I stretch my body when I wake up. Make coffee. I make coffee to start my day. Feed pets. I feed my pets in the morning. Check my phone. I checked my phone for messages. Water the plants. I watered the plants in my garden. Attend meetings. I attend meetings in the afternoon. Commute. I commute to work by bus. Do homework. I do homework like cleaning. Take a nap. I take a nap in the morning. Go shopping. I go shopping for groceries. Call a friend. I call a friend to catch up. Write in my journal. I write in my journal before bed. Do the dishes. I do the dishes after meals. Take out the trash. I take out the trash. Listen to music. I listen to music while relaxing. Drive to work. I drive to work in the morning. Check email. I check my email in the afternoon. Do laundry. I do laundry in weekends.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment and share.